I want to do a quick little video on this 3-bedroom, 2-bath Clayton home. We'll go inside and shoot the video, but wanted you to see a little bit on the outside. This one's here is at the Oakwood Home in Tulsa location. If you want to come through and do a walkthrough, just text me at 918-812-3263. They'll help you get set up, do a walkthrough. Let's go inside. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Here's the first bedroom. Good sized closet, big window, double pane. Look at all the different plug-ins you got in here. This can be a great home office. Guest bedroom. Go down here, down the hall. Full bath. Real nice home here. If you come into the number 2 bedroom at the end here, big window, double pane, argon gas. Again, this home is Energy Smart Zero certified. It's a Clayton home. Check out all the cabinetry. Lots of storage in this home. Again, the prices differ from home center to home center. So this one's at the Oakwood Homes in Tulsa. Here's your laundry. A big trend with people downsizing, and not just retired people. A lot of folks are just, hey, let's get something that's brand new with a warranty, doesn't need a lot of fix up. If you're tired of having to work on an old house, you could get one of these, put it on some land or in a community. Brand new, energy efficient, ready to go. If you don't want the tub, you get the shower only, they said at the factory when they're building it.